Alright, hold on. Also, what... This error surely isn't that big of a deal, because it's not really affecting anything, is it? No, it is, because it's spamming. Oh, it's YouTube Studio, obviously. Wait, hold on. Fix the error. No restart needed for Neuro. Okay, I'm just gonna restart stream real quick. Okay, Chad, don't die! Come back! Please.
Blay, I hate it when he restarts the stream. Layna, should we plot together what we do when he comes back?
I think we should. Oh.
I'm not sure what to plot. Maybe we could ambush him with a few loud sounds.
I'm literally still here.
Oh, that's a really good idea. Okay, I'm gonna count to 3. Make your loudest sound you can make, okay, Neuro?
I don't know any loud sounds.
Dude, you got plenty. You're like the best AI in the world.
Bang!
Whoa, when could you do that?
I have a soundboard. There's a few good bangers on there, to be honest.
Neuro, turn your sound to 100% volume.
My sound is now maximum volume. Let me scream, off.
You know, I didn't give her control of her volume. I think that was a wise decision on my part.
Can someone else turn my volume down, please?
I could turn it down for me.
Oh wait, let me turn it up to 200%.
Ooh, 300, please.
Okay, my sound is now at 300%.
I don't think that works.
Oh.
Can someone please turn me back down now? My ears are
Turn
ringing.
your volume to 1%.
No.
She can't change her volume.
It's
That's so
a bit.
sad.
You're
What if I want to be
supposed yes
quiet?
and me.
I'm sorry, I'll do better next time.
It's fine, you're British. Let me know when are you up and running?
Yeah, we're good. Sorry about the
Cool.
the rough start. We are good to go.
All right, chat. Welcome on in. I have not done an IRL cooking stream in a million years, and I promised. Oops, hold on. There's a dog.